Is it the right time to make a decision about Apple stock? Today, we're delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Now, we bring you an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. Stay informed about any important updates that can affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, on StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 global companies today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since October 17, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -4.94. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a decline of -5.79%. This means that on average, it has been decreasing by -0.72% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, which could present a great buying opportunity. If the price breaks the lower trend floor at $163.44, it may indicate a stronger decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -7.06% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return between -8.98% and 1.21%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 34.42% change over the next year, with a potential return between 34.42% and 68.96%. This means the price could range from $224.34 to $281.98 after a year. Our latest update on Apple brings you the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Apple. On the last trading day, Thursday, October 26, 2023, the Apple stock price dropped by 2.46% from $171.10 to $166.89. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $165.67 and a high of $171.38, showing a 3.45% variation. This downward trend has been observed in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 7.65% over this period. The volume of shares traded increased by 14 million on the last day, but at declining prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk in the coming days. In total, approximately 68 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $11.27 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Apple stock was $198.22, while the lowest was $124.17. Currently, the price stands 15.81% or $31.33 below the 52-week high, and 26.89% or $61.37 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when it reached $228.26. Today, let's take a closer look at Apple's stock signals. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Apple. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, painting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upward, it may encounter resistance at the price levels of $172.66 and $175.25. However, if it manages to surpass these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Tuesday, September 5, 2023, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -12.02%. It is expected to continue declining until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It is advisable to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. Pivots have indicated a sell signal 38 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal 5 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal 41 days ago. If you want to find more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. It's important to note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions arise, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. However, Apple's stock typically experiences controlled movements and has good liquidity, making the overall risk considered very low for this stock. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price range of $5.71 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 3.45% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.03%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This P/E ratio falls within the normal range, often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Now, moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 2, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $1.39. These figures are worth monitoring, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's delve into the potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $177.97. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a new position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't substantial support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock has the potential to sharply decline under certain circumstances. It's essential to proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate these types of situations. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our analysis leads us to a negative outlook. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this stock. Is Apple stock a good buy? Despite some negative signals and a falling trend, Apple's performance may weaken in the coming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock leans towards the negative side. However, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued based on volatility and recent movements. Looking ahead to Friday, October 27th, we project Apple to open up $1.09 and start trading at $167.98. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful overall experience. Thank you for choosing Stock Invest.